I'm going to start out by doing my best Peter McKinnon and start out by saying, what's up guys? It's Steve and I'm here to do... I'm here to do an unboxing video because I got a new toy today and I think that you're going to enjoy seeing this. Now we've had some of these videos done, the DJI Osmo Action. It's a brand new item. We've seen everybody lit up about them. Here's the thing though, this is not one that the DJI people sent to me because I'm a famous blogger. I got one, I bought one. And that means this review is better than anybody else's. So, here we go. And cut the plastic off, so all we gotta do is sever this piece of tape. And then off she comes. There, wow, that was easy. So, inside the box, we're gonna open this. We have the camera. The camera, and then we have we're going to see what we got here in the accessories pack. Great packaging, very Apple-esque. So inside the box is, that looks like, what is this? A battery. Look at that. So this is the battery that I've heard about, where the cover is actually built into the battery case. Looks like it's got a nice little seal on it, a little O-ring seal. That's good. And what else we got here? Mysterious plastic bag. Looks like a USB-C cable. Good. And some GoPro mounting apparatus. GoPro compatible. And GoPro compatible mounting. That's the flat mount there. This is the curved mount. See that? And this, I think, is the way this works. You bought a GoPro in years, so this is all new, but I think this twists off and then we can put that there. And then looks like our last thing is some kind of instruction pack. Nicely tucked away. And there we have it. Osmo Action. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. It's this actually looks like this is an extra battery here. So I want to look. I want to see if that's actually the case. So case, get it? Case. I'm taking the case off. So that, no, it's not an extra battery. It is the battery. So I'm gonna plug this in and see if it's actually, if it comes on, if it comes charged. I saw light. I'm going to peel this little clear guy right off. Peel this clear guy off. Peel this clear guy right off. Now it looks like it's ready to use. Wonder if it comes on. Check it out. And it comes on with a QR code in the back, so we can. Looks like you scan that with the app, and that does the connection. So off we go. Now, I think one of the things we don't really think about with an action cam, but is becoming a real feature that we are looking for, is maybe the ability to produce some of that really silky smooth cinematic photography. Again, you know, just the idea of packaging that in a small little package is pretty remarkable. But hey, technology is moving forward, and so we're going to check it out. We've all seen videos, I think, at this point about how stable this little guy is. We're going to check that, but what I want to see is it possible to make cinematic footage with that little tiny camera and make it look as though I'm using a Steadicam, something like, you know, that used to cost just thousands and thousands of dollars back in the day. I think we can do a pretty close approximation to it, and I'm really looking forward to figuring that out. So come with me, let's walk around for a little while. Look at this nice smooth pan. I can't even imagine doing something like this with a regular camera just a few years ago. Incredible. Now I'm walking at a full clip right now. I'm bouncing around. I'm not trying to hold this thing still. You can see a little bit of bounce in the bottom of the frame, but wow, what an amazing job it's doing of stabilizing that footage. It's so easy to use. It's just incredible. I love the slow-mo features of this camera. I mean, this is really crazy. I thought I got the Sony a6400 because it was small and portable and gave me the kind of look I'm looking for. I would easily use the DJI Osmo Action as a B-roll camera, not just as an action camera, not just as something to, you know, strap on my bike. It's incredible. Now, you know, there's one test that I'm still looking forward to doing. I'm going to do this in another video, but I'm really looking forward to seeing if the DJI Osmo Action can get rid of the shake when I've got it strapped to my bike. You know, the rolling shutter effect introduces a lot of wiggle, wobble, jello frame stuff when you put vibration behind it. And that's one thing that's going to be critical for me. I want to know how that works out. We'll let you know how it goes in another video. For now, like and subscribe if this has been helpful to you. Spread the word about this remarkable camera. It's definitely a GoPro challenger, if not a full-on replacement. I'm really looking forward to seeing what DJI does with these things going forward in future generations. Hey, this is Steve. I'm the mild and lazy guy. Keep on getting out there and have your adventure.